Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about DreamHost. So DreamHost is a web hosting service that offers a range of features that help you create and manage your website. Whether you are a beginner or experienced user, DreamHost provides an intuitive interface and tools to make the process easy and enjoyable. So the first thing to do after heading to the website is to see that it has a user-friendly interface. Very easy. They choose the right colors, the right system for a web company, web hosting company. They did more than web hosting. So the first thing to do is get started by choosing a plan. You can choose yearly plan or just monthly. So after choosing the plan, you get to sign up. We have the Shared, the VPS, the Dream Press. Let's choose this one and sign up. So just register new domain, choose domain later, or I already have a domain. And here you choose either it's a credit card or a PayPal account. Choose one of them and fill up those informations. After you make sure you choose the plan that suits you, monthly, yearly, 3 years, starter pack, or any plan. So billing information, you need country, billing address, providence. I'm not even in United States. I don't think this reaches no, this is Morocco. They don't know which state. Okay. And you fill up this information, you write the word in the picture. You set up your account, then you click submit order. By clicking on it, you accepted everything and paid for your account. So one of the standout features of DreamHost is its reliability and uptime. With multiple data centers and robust infrastructure, your website will experience minimal downtime, ensuring that visitors can access your site anytime. This is crucial for websites, for businesses and individuals who rely on their website to reach their audience. And DreamHost also provides excellent customer support. Their team is knowledgeable and responsive, ready to assist you with any question or issue may encounter you along the way. Whether you need help with setting up your business or troubleshooting technical problems, they are there to guide you through the process. So setting up your website on DreamHost is a breeze. They offer a user-friendly control, like I said, that allows you to manage your website, file, domain, email accounts, and more. You can easily install popular content manager system like WordPress or Joomla with just few clicks, eliminating the need for complex coding skills and techniques. So DreamHost also offers a variety of hosting plans to suit different needs, from shared hosting to personal website dedicated servers for high traffic sites. You can choose the plan that best fits your requirements and budget. They also provide options for scalable cloud hosting, which is ideal for website experiencing rapid growth or friction traffic. Another not noteworthy features is DreamHost's commitment to security. They take measurements to protect your website from threats such as malware and unauthorized access with free SSL, certificate and regular backups. You can have peace of mind knowing that your data is safe and your visitors' information is secure. In conclusion, DreamHost is a reliable and user-friendly web hosting service that provides excellent support and wide range of features. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced, using DreamHost offers with using sorry, I forgot what I have to say. So let's go from whether you are a beginner or experienced user. DreamHost offers the tool and resources you need to create and manage your website. So with their uptime guarantee, responsive customer support, and commitment to security, you can trust DreamHost to provide a solid foundation to your online presence. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I mean, that's all I can provide because I can't just buy a domain and buy a membership for video. So we can just investigate the website from here. We have WordPress basics. We have DreamPress, WhoPress hosting, VPS for WordPress, dedicated for WordPress, compare all WordPress solutions. We have here, hi, need help. This is the customer support service. I need help to complete my purchase. I want to hire a pro to help me with my site. I want to transfer my hosting or domain to DreamHost. I want to find the right product for me. I want to go to knowledge base. I already a customer and need help. So you can also write your own question if you have any. So here we have hosting, shared website hosting, VPS hosting, managed WordPress hosting, dedicated server hosting, cloud hosting also. Websites, we have WP website builder, custom web designer, we have domains. You can search for domains, check for availability even if you are not willing to be a customer. Here we have email hosting, Google Workspace. We have the pro services, design services, marketing services, web management services, custom web development services. We have custom web design, CEO marketing, social media marketing, and more others. And we have the blog page here, the DreamHost blog, the news, all the updates. So that's it for this video for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.